Welcome back to yet another interesting video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to direct message multiple people from your Slack application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Slack application at first, and after opening the Slack application you will see this DM option into here. Just simply choose that DM option. In order to DM with the multiple people, you just simply have to tap into this add colleagues option and then enter the email address of those persons into this box. For example, I'm adding some mail address into this box. After successfully entering their mail addresses, you just simply have to select if you want to invite them as member or as guest. Just simply select the options and then click to send button. Then they will get your invitation and accept it. Then after that, you can talk in direct messages in Slack application. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.